6:45 a.m. in the morning. Oh yes, we are in the city beautiful, and today is the second video of our channel. Yeah, I am Saraj from Dripsies, and as you can see behind me, I got a very good SUV. Yeah, well, a 4x4 with 230 kg of torque and one with 400. Oh yes guys, today is gonna be sick, and we have on our channel great friend of mine, Pratik.
Hi bro.
Yo man. So how are you feeling, bro?
Awesome. Early mornings are always good, man.
Yeah, so what's your thought on today's adventure?
We are exploring, so it would be awesome. I haven't been to that place, but he has. So let's see what happens.
And what your thoughts on these
These. It has 4x4 capabilities. It has torque.
Yeah.
So, you know, if this gets stuck, she'll rescue. If this gets stuck, she'll rescue.
And
so
one more
awesome.
thing.
Yeah.
Most important question to him.
Yeah.
Do you like that logo on the car?
It's awesome, man. Nice choice.
It's my Dripsies channel logo.
I know. I have seen his channel, man.
Yeah, bro. And one more question.
Yeah.
You gonna drive this or this?
Definitely this.
No. Oh, we're taking away having fight. You guys, so it is time to hit the highway. Yeah, so we are at the Himalayan Expressway toll, and we're just gonna it's a half an hour drive from here, and the peak goes over there. He's ahead. Yeah guys, so we just took a right turn from the highway, and it's quite a good place. You can see over there some hills are starting. And where's Pratik? Oh, he's at the back seats. Oh, Pratik boy. Yeah guys, so we're just beside the highway. I don't see any person in here.
And what the hell is this?
You mad?
Is he not a person?
Yeah, so it's a very beautiful place. We don't know where we are, but we are heading towards Burj, Kotian, which is a very beautiful place. Guys, guess the location. Oh yes, we are over here.
Seems to follow like a shadow, dark and cold to the touch.
Hi guys, and as you can see, we are here.
We were already here. I didn't bring my slippers, so please don't make a dumb mistake by not bringing them here.
Yeah, and see the cameraman is... Yeah, he's tired. He's tired? Or he's hungry?
Fucking tired of this shit!
So guys, you can see the view over here, and it looks like this. Oh yeah, it's really beautiful, and I got a waterfall behind me. It's a must-visit place. And some sensitive children. Delicated children.
Because you're fat, man. Sorry. Can't help it.
So guys, it is a really beautiful place. It has got some real good off-roading stuff. What are your reviews on this, bro?
See, by far this is a lovely place, but we haven't explored there. We are going there.
Yeah.
And
we're gonna go ahead.
Yeah. And it's like a Great Canyon.
Yeah.
But Great Canyon doesn't have water in it. It has water and weather is pleasant.
Weather is very good, yeah. And it's also got a waterfall, as you saw. So it adds to the beauty of this location. Yeah, so we are gonna explore more. These cars have got some serious capability. I would say today we really enjoyed it.
God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in it. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah I'm all that. Looking for that whip, yeah that what you call that.
So it was a really good experience. We have just come out on a highway and we have explored a lot in there. It was a really beautiful road. Must visit for everyone. Yeah, actually. Those are interested in off-roading and got some real badass SUVs, yes, you can visit this place. It's a really beautiful place. Pratik, how was the experience driving Thar?
It was awesome. I did 4H and 4L.
Yeah.
I didn't do that before because I didn't have to. But this place did it and was awesome.
Yeah.
So just come here, you're gonna love it.
So it's around 1 PM in the afternoon and we are heading back towards home. Yeah, so it's 1.5 hour drive from here. Back at the office and I would like to congratulate all of you. Oh yes, we did it. 1.1k views on my first video and you made it possible, so thank you, thanks to all of you. Yeah, it was a really good experience. And now this video, the adventure was really on top. Some off-roading stuff, very good. The cars were really good. And we would be visiting some other places and we will be making more vlogs. We will work on it and your humble suggestions would be really good. And you guys should connect with me. Yes, you can follow me on my Instagram and you can Snapchat me, you can email me. I'm always there for you guys. Any suggestions, any queries, any submissions, you can contact me. And I would also like to thank Skretnasdra for his moral support with me. So thank you guys once again and a very goodbye. See this video, like, share, subscribe and comment in the comment section. See ya.